Kyle, so I'm going to try to give you the food like this, okay? Good boy. We put a little bit of a napkin here. Yes, napkin. And then we do Kyle's so such a good boy. Kyle loves his chicken, cabbage, rice. Okay, there's nothing here. And some doggy supplement in here. Yes. Good eating. Good eating. Yes. Good eating. Good job, Kyle. Yes, Kyle's such a good boy. Kyle's such a good boy. Yes. What a good boy you are. What a good boy. I'll help you, Kyle. Let me help you. I fell down. Let me see. You push it down this one. Push it down this one. Is this easier? Okay, how about this one? Okay, let's push it down. Good jobs, Kyle. What a good little boy you are. Good eating. Good eating. Sorry, Kyle. Sorry about this. Okay, almost finished. Get this cleaned up. Let me clean your comb. Clean your mouth. Good job, Kyle. Good eating. Good boy.